Today we're going to be starting a new series called Unraveled, which if you've ever watched MKBHD and his Explain series, it's going to be basically the same thing as that. Today we're going to be talking about the new iPhone 6 Plus. Apple released this a few days ago. It is basically their answer to the Galaxy Note line. Samsung started that line as a crazy idea and it's come very far today, as you probably know. So today we're just going to be talking about its specs and why. Why did Apple do this? I kind of explained it ish, but not fully. Right, so it has a 5.5 inch 1080p display. It's the first 1080 display on an iPhone. It's 7.1 millimeters thick, which is still thin for a phone. It's 2 millimeters thicker than just a normal iPhone 6. It has the A8 chip, as you would expect, 64-bit, 1.4 gigahertz dual-core processor. Comes in the same three colors as the normal iPhone 6 and iPhone 5S. The space grey, the black, and the gold. The silver and the gold. It has optical image stabilization in the camera, which is again first on an iPhone. It has 3 times speed LTE. It has the Touch ID fingerprint scanner, and it's also got the new Apple Pay feature as well as the normal iPhone 6 with the Pass. It basically uses Touch ID and Passbook with NFC, so you can use it to pay for stuff in the shop and all this. And it comes with the M8 chip, which is the motion sensing chip, and it's like a pedometer in your phone or whatever. And we're also now, the reason Apple did this was to answer the Samsung's Note line, as I explained, because Samsung are Apple's biggest rivals in the phones. Like the Galaxy S5 and the iPhone 5S are just competing against each other most times. So now Apple are making a stand against their second biggest running line, which is the Galaxy Note line. So Apple are being really smart about this, and it's gonna make a good bit of money, I'd say, for them people who do want say you're coming from a Galaxy S5 with that 5.1 inch display, I think. So and you're looking for a bigger phone, you're thinking of getting a Note, but then you see new iPhones out, you might go for the new iPhone to give it a chance. And especially with the release of iOS 8, I think they're going to incorporate a lot with the bigger screen. Now, a few things is they didn't include a stylus for such a big screen, which is kind of I think that's good about the Note line, that they give you the stylus to work with, the S Pen I think it's called. Another thing about it is it's really thin, really thin, and it weighs, I don't know how much, I think it's around 140 something grams. So yeah, that's really it, guys. Hope you liked the new series, and thumbs up if you did, and like and subscribe.